Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are wondering how to delete conversation on Discord, I will show you exactly what you can and can't do quickly and easy. So let's get right into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about you cannot fully delete DMS. Like DM. First, here's what you need to know. Discord does not allow you to fully delete an inter-direct message conversation from both sides. You can only delete messages you send, and you can clear your own chat history, but the other person will still see messages unless they delete them too. Like here you can see we have these options, and if you click over here from that place you can just delete the message, but other side person can see that message. It only remove from your side. And next we are going to talk about how to delete your message. To delete it sent in DM to our server, how you just need to hover the message in this way and then click the dot I already mentioned. You just need to click over here and then just click delete message and confirm it's gone for you and the other persons. Here you can see it already been gone. And the 3 number part was how to clear DM from your sidebar. So to remove the whole chat from your sidebar, right click the DMs in your Discord chat list and click close DMs. It does not delete the message, it just hide the conversation from your sidebar. If the person messages you again, it will pop back up. So that's it. And that's it for today. That's how you delete your message and clear conversation on Discord. If you found this quick guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more easy Discord tips. Thanks for watching.